Alright folks, welcome back to another edition of Show Me Your Car. Man, do we got a super cool one here for you today. But before I show you all the cool stuff that we're getting ready to look at, if I can have you hit that subscribe button, that would be awesome. We need to get the subscribers up so we can pass these videos on to other people that might enjoy them. But let's take a look at what we have. A bunch of people here, folks. Alright, well, let's walk down there and see what kind of cars we can find. I know there's a bunch of cool ones for sure. This thing is sold out. It's called the Detail 360 Car Show. It's over in Lakeside 370 Park, St. Peters, Missouri. Alright, folks, well, we made it down to the bottom of the hill. Why don't you come along with me and let's take a look and see what we have. Not only do we have cars here, we have motorcycles. It's also a motorcycle show. Check out this cool car. I always did like this car, about how they did the painting. Now that's not a painted chrome strip, that's actually stamped into the metal, and then they painted that. Very, very cool. Alright, let's walk down this aisle. See what we can find. Boy, that's a beautiful car. Wow. Ooh, check this one out. Oldsmobile 442 W30. Wow. Look at the wheels on that thing too. Man, this thing is gorgeous. If I don't say so myself. 442 W30. Very neat. This car looks fast just sitting there. Look at that thing. Wow. It's got a Corvette engine in it too. And it's too cool. Very neat. That's another cool one. I'm liking this. Very neat. Alright folks, let's take a look at this one right here. That's a beautiful Nova. Take a look at the inside here. Very cool.
Hey, Gerald.
Very, very neat.
Okay.
Oh boy, check this one out. Look at this. Wow.
Okay. All right.
Is this cool or what? Let's see if we can figure out what kind of car this is. It's a Pantera. Wow.
Jumps around in the seat. That's a problem.
That is a really neat car.
Wasn't one of these things on Magnum PI?
No, that was a Ferrari.
And we're in the grass. We're in the grass when you pull in.
But this was built
Down here, you'll see us back here.
Wow, that thing is unreal. 1974.
Not very
Look at how big that engine is in that thing.
No, it's not. You ain't bringing your car, I guess.
Very neat.
That's cool.
Look at this one right
All
here.
right. Call us when you get here.
1955 Chevy.
Find this one. A friend of mine. He's in Miami. My car was in Oregon. And he's like, well, they come to see.
Very, very cool. Very, very neat. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, wow, look at that. Ooh, man, this is nice. 62.
That's what I think is cool.
Airborne editions. I was told that 62 is the only year that made that with a Chevrolet on the bottom of the grill. That don't look like a factory engine to me. Looks like it'll push this truck right along though. I like how the pipes come out of the back on the side there. Very cool.
Through all this crowd just to be arranging. And then
Very nice. Check out this El Camino. Very neat. Well, let's see if we can get up and see how many cars are out here today. A bunch of cars out here. Yeah, this is really a neat show for sure. All right, let's walk on down through here. MG. Very cool. It's got the gold pinstriping on it. I'm liking what I see in here. Very, very cool. Hi, how are you?
well, how about yourself?
Fine, thanks. All right, we were looking at this, folks. Check out this cool car. Let's see what kind of car it is. Here we go. It's called a Spitfire 1500. Very neat. I like it. Very cool. This says it's a 39.
So you brought the GTO today.
I did. Boy, check out that car. We were looking at that a while ago. It's a 1939. I think that's what I seen. Yeah, 1939 Chevy Master 85 sedan. Very nice. Isn't that look neat? Look at that. Looks like bat wings. Very nice.
Oh, hey, but pick up. I drive a truck now. Hey, we're practicing. Hey.
All right. All right, folks. Well, I hope you enjoyed this edition of Show Me Your Car. And if you did, click right up here on the logo. You can subscribe there. It's free to do. And right here on this side was the last video I just did. Thanks for watching.